Hey, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to motivate yourself and achieve your goals. Staying motivated can be a challenge, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome obstacles and reach your goals. Set specific and measurable goals. The first step in staying motivated is setting specific and measurable goals. This means breaking down your goal into smaller, actionable steps that are easy to track and measure. When you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it's easier to stay motivated and focused. Create a plan and schedule. Once you've set your goals, create a plan and schedule to achieve them. This includes setting deadlines, breaking down your goal into manageable tasks, and prioritizing your activities. When you have a plan in place, it's easier to stay on track and avoid procrastination. Find your why. When we are motivated, it's because we are clear on why we want to achieve something. Take some time to reflect on why you want to achieve your goal. When you understand your why, it's easier to stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Surround yourself with positivity. The people and environment you surround yourself with have a big impact on your motivation levels. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people, and eliminate negative influences from your life. Reward yourself. Set small rewards for yourself as you achieve milestones along the way. This will help you to stay motivated and give you something to look forward to. Stay flexible. It's important to stay flexible and adapt your plan as needed. Sometimes, we hit roadblocks or unexpected setbacks, and it's important to be able to adjust our plan accordingly. Conclusion. Staying motivated can be a challenge, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your goals. Remember to set specific and measurable goals, create a plan and schedule, find your why, surround yourself with positivity, reward yourself and stay flexible. Remember to seek professional help if necessary and always